Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helps you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to change your profile picture in WhatsApp. You can change the photo in a couple of seconds. To do this, you open the app in Settings. You click on the profile itself. A window opens up like this. You click on the photo, and you click Edit. And here you can select an existing photo, or you can create one with your camera. You do as you please. As you can see, it's very simple and quick. Done. There is nothing complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel, and also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.